In this video, we'll learn about the last primitive data type. Imagine you have a magical box called character. This special box can hold only one thing at a time, and the thing it holds is always a single letter, number, or symbol. It's like a tiny treasure chest that keeps little characters safe. In Java, we use the char data type or character data type to talk about this magical box. We write the word char to tell Java that we want to use this special box that holds a single character. Let's see how it looks in code. We start with the card keyword and specify the name of this character and the equal sign, and here with a single quotation I'll include the value. In this example, we created a magical box called my character and we put the letter A inside it. You see, A is a single character, so it fits perfectly inside the character box. You can also put other letters, numbers, or symbols inside the character box. So for example, I'll start with character, my number equal to, and I can include number 7 inside it. Okay, only one single number. This is a letter. This is a number, and now let's create a variable of type character. I'll name it as my symbol that holds a symbol $sign. You can even use escape sequences to put special characters like a new line or a tab inside the car box. So for example, car new line equal to, and the new line is in Java, this backslash and letter N. This refers for the new line in Java. Character tab equal to backslash T, which refers for the new tab. The character data type is like a magical container that holds a little character. You can use it when you only need to work with individual letters, numbers, or special symbols in your Java program. It's a small but essential part of Java language.